What if I told you that you could turn almost any product into a tiny, realistic miniature and make it look so authentic that people might actually think it's real? Let me show you exactly how you can create these viral miniature product unboxing videos using AI. First, go to the video description and copy the master prompt. Next, open Google Flow AI. Set the aspect ratio to 9:6 and choose the Omniflash video model. Now paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Before generating the video, let's come up with some product ideas. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 20 electronic item names." ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of different electronic products for you to choose from. Pick any product you want. For this example, I'm going with a smartwatch. Copy the product name and head back to Google Flow AI. Find the object placeholder and replace it with smartwatch. Then simply click Generate. Google Flow will create a highly detailed macro-style miniature unboxing video. The final result can look incredibly realistic. Now let's create another one. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to subscribe for more AI video creation tutorials, trending workflows, creative prompts, and viral content ideas.